Today I'm going to show you how to use Noodle tools to create a works cited page for all your research this year. This is the tool we'll be using to document all your sources related to research and papers during the school year. The first thing you'll want to do is go to www.noodletools.com. Have it up here in the web browser. And then when that site comes up, you are going to sign in. Everyone already has an account made for our school. So you're going to just enter your personal ID and your password. This is the same ID you use for your email at school. So you'll type that in, and then you'll type your email password that you already have. And again, we have added everybody's account into Noodle Tools. And then you press the sign in button. The system and then will take you to a works cited page. If you've already been in Noodle Tools, it will display My Projects if you have several different research projects that you've already cited. But today I'm going to show you how to create a brand new project in Noodle Tools. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new project by clicking the green plus button. And then it's asked you to have the citation style. First, you're going to select MLA. MLA is always the citation style we use for our research. And then we're going to just do the basic starter level. And then you always want to name your source or give a title to your project. And this is going to be the multi-genre project that we are currently working on in class. So you would just name it Multi-Genre Research Project. Again, the title will be related to whatever project you're working on to create a works cited. Then you click Create Project. Okay, and then you're going to see the dashboard. And it just gives you some basic information. But we want to go down to the components. You can do a lot of different things with Noodle Tools, but today I'm just showing you how to do a works cited page. So you click on the left-hand side, Works Cited. Okay, and then it asks you to cite a source, and this is where you're going to put all your sources in. They can be books, websites, articles, journals, videos, but for this lesson I'm just going to show you the basic citation of citing a book resource. So you click the drop down menu with the arrow, and I'm going to select book, and then click the green create citation. Sometimes it'll bring up a little ad here. You just press continue. And then it's going to bring you the format of things that they'd like you to fill out to create the citation. So the first thing you want to do is create everything that's asterisk red are the things that you must fill out. The title of the book, I'm going to use the K, which is the current novel that we're reading in class. Then you're going to find the information from your book. Usually on the front cover of your book is where you can find that. But it asks for the publisher, and in this case, this is Batten Doubleday. And you're going to type that in, and it's Dell. And the publication city, it'll ask for that. And in my case, it is New York. Okay, and then it's going to ask for the year of the publication. And the K was published in 1969. Okay, and then you keep going down. It's also going to ask for, let's see, the author, which was the contributors up here. This is the author. I'm going to select author, and the first name of this author is Taylor. Theodore. And the last name is Taylor. Okay, and this is really all that's necessary. You can make notes here under annotation. I'm not going to do that this time. Again, you're just, I'm sorry, I put this in the wrong spot here. First name again is Theodore. Middle initial, I do not have any, so I will leave that blank. And the last name is Taylor. Okay, again, you have your annotation section. I do want to include the source of my final work cited, so that should be checked. And all you have to do is submit. Okay, and then you've created now your first citation in Works Cited. And this is a visual of kind of what it will look like. It's the media type, you have the author's name, you have the title of the book, the publisher, year and date, and that it's a print document. And it puts it in the correct MLA format for you, which is very important once you are going to do your final version. Now again, if you have more, you would just go to create citation for another venue, such as a website, magazine, database, and you follow the same process, and it adds on to your works cited. At another time, I will show you how then when you are completed with all your works cited, you will then use the print or export to send it into a Word document at the end of your research paper, or you can just print it and attach it to whatever project you're working on. So that is the lesson for today. When it will automatically save this information, and so when you are ready to log out, you can go back to projects, and at this point you can just hit the sign out button. Thank you for listening today.